this is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is what blessings are coming your way for Leos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Leo, you can watch this reading. If you know a Leo, you can cross watch it. Friends, please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot, and do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. This is a general reading, friends, and a timeless reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Let's see, Leos, what blessings are coming. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot, and personal readings are you can buy from our website. Wow, Leos, this is interesting. Wow, Queen of Swords, Eight of Cups. You could be dealing with an air sign. The Eight of Pentacles and Two of Wands. What's happening with Leos? What blessings are coming? I don't know why all your cards are coming out as reversed. The Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, the Sun, and the Death. Ooh. The King of Cups. Wow. So Leos, I feel like you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel this person, or you have not yet met this person. I feel like Leos, you are looking for a king or a queen of your life. I feel that you are searching for this life partner or this beautiful person, this king or a queen of your life. Some of you could have already known this person and you had an ending with this person, but somehow you can't forget this person. You're just not able to forget them, or they are not able to forget you. So that energy is there. Like this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person just can't forget you. I feel Leos, you are also struggling to you are also feeling like you want this relationship, or this person wants this relationship, but they are right now resisting it, or you both are resisting this relationship. Like you can be mature and make peace, but you are not doing it. It's like you can send that message, or this person can send that text, and things will start working out because you have the Six of Swords, but it's not, you both are not sending that message. You both are long distance relationship. I think you are same age or different cultures, but same age. There is like the maturity level is same. You both want to make this relationship work, but none of you are taking action. So I feel Leos, the main blessing that is coming your way is you could be meeting this person, or they could be sharing their heart and emotions to you. I feel there is a person who is not taking action, or who has left you, ghosted you. They had been immature. They were not taking action to fix this relationship or be there for you, Leos. But I think they will have a change of heart, and they will work towards you, and they will now offer you this love and affection. I feel this person could be your twin flame, because we have the Sun and the Death together, the transformation and the Sun. I feel the way you see life is changing, Leos. The way you see people or relationships is going to change. It is going to change like a massive change. That blessing is coming. I feel some of you I feel like some of you don't know this new person. I feel this is a new energy. I feel like these are two separate piles. This could be someone who is your twin flame, or you are going to marry this person, but you don't know them. And this person is right now, or maybe you know this person, but they are in a third party, or they are hurt about something. So they are struggling right now. This person is struggling, Leos. I feel it could be you also, but not getting over a relationship. You are still missing them, you are still wanting contact, but you don't know how to fix it. Neither that person knows what to do. I think changes will happen. I think that relationship was karmic, so some karmic shifts are going to happen. That blessing is coming. A positive new energy is going to come into your love life, and I feel some of you are going to change your view how you see life, how you see love, it is going to transform for you. I feel also a love offer is coming, which was long, long due. You are waiting for this amazing love offer from a new person or from this past person. It is coming, friends. It is coming, but it will come after some changes, after a spiritual awakening, Leos, for you, and also some major changes. So, someone, I think it could be a twin flame connection you are dealing with, because I feel like either you are this sun, the divine masculine or feminine, but I feel your person is going through a dark night of the soul. They are struggling right now, or you both are struggling, but the happy days are coming. That blessing is coming, friends. Leo's happy days are coming. Offers of love, new positivity is coming. If you are right now not ready for a relationship, which it looks like you are not ready, you will become ready. You will become ready, and that will be a destined connection for you. For others, I feel you're waiting for some sort of a good news, or some, you are working, 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 but like nobody is recognizing your hard work. So that shift is going to happen, Leos. You people are going to recognize your hard work, your skills are going to become famous, or some sort of a fame is going to come towards you, or money is going to come. Some of you could be changing the way you look or feel. I think that is also coming. A major change is coming. Let me just clarify. Yeah, see, someone definitely, you will no longer be scared of change, Leos, and someone who has ghosted you, hurted you, they could be coming back and sharing their feelings. And I also feel if at work someone was not giving you your reward or your due, they are going to do that. Like you did all the work in a group project, but everybody else got the success, but not you. But now it's your turn. I also feel a very strong relationship of friendship is coming, Leos. That's very strong here for you. Difficulties will be over for you. You could meet an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, and they are going to really change your life and career both. Wow, open up. I think you are not ready to share your feelings, or someone is not yet ready. I feel this is divine timing. It's not yet the time. So you might have to wait a little bit, It's not the time. The timing is off here. For Leos, what's coming in for Leos? See, again a reversed card is here. Observe. Observe. I think the timing is off, friends. That is the main issue in your love life or your life in general. But it is going to be fixed. I think this is going to be fixed. Definitely, you will have to confront. I think you could be going through a tough time, Leos, a dark night of the soul, or some fears which are stopping you from success or from this amazing love relationship. You need to face that, or you need to talk to your person or talk to your friends and family what you are going through, because there is a lot of help, and I think you are going to overcome a fear, or maybe I think something is going to come. This moon is like something being given to you, like a cosmic gift. And that's the blessing. And you will be able to, if you are like, whatever, what is it you are scared of? That's going to change, friends. That's going to change. TikTok. See, timing is at work. Timing is at work. You can achieve that dream that you want. It is already yours. It's just a matter of time. Building blocks. Keep working on. Keep moving ahead. You are on the right path. Number 28 is important for you, and 9 and 30 is also important. I got a card. Older woman. I think some of you could be worried about your age, that when you will get married. For others, you could be like your family is not letting you marry the person you want to marry, or they are already married so you can't marry them. But I think things are working out. Things are working out. It's just a matter of time now. deep personal strength and peace that assures success. So definitely success is coming. And wail, great worry over nothing. See, I told you, you are worried, you are anxious, but it's nothing. You need to relax. You know your treasure island is yours. Hidden secrets can harm you. I feel fears can harm you. You are being very scared or very. Don't be scared, friends. Don't be scared, Leos. You are the tiger. You are the lion. You don't need to stay scared. Just be bold. Believe in yourself. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye.